She's steam driven. Bye-bye. See you, matey. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yeah, no bother.
Thank you very much.
When do you go to dinner? Hey, we can see by it. Look. Yeah. Is that a lollipop as well?
Yeah.
Wow. Didn't know how to eat it, so that's alright.
Morning.
Morning. Yeah. Do you want to take a...
I will do, yes.
Hello.
Hello.
You, I was just chatting to the gentleman. He said, we do some filming at the Maritime Museum. Oh, right. Yeah. If you want to follow that school group. You know where the lady is? I've never seen her. We'll just skip it down there. Alright, got one things. You alright? You okay? Yeah. This is where I live.
Hello, mate.
Alright, mate, you okay? I've done that. Yeah, I've done a bit of a simulation. What would happen?
big DC motors, direct current motors. So we've got 3 diesel generators giving 220 volt DC supply. The switchboard over there.
Nice.
But this one, and to the other side, those 2 have compressors attached, which you can clutch in and out. But these are basically half a bus engine, 3-cylinder Gardners. So anybody who's worked on lorries would be.
You okay?
They'd be fine with those, yeah. So talking of ancillary machinery, fuel transfer, you can transfer fuel from the bunker tank here through the pump into a header tank up there, and then it can flow down by gravity to 3 diesel generators into the main engine.
Yeah, nice.
And then there's a fuel pump up to send the pump where it's wanted in the main engine.
Interesting.
Lube oil filters, got 1.5 tons of lube oil in it.
It's a lot.
As I say, 2 diesel generators, and two compressors. The engine is run by, controlled by compressed air. We've got 2 receivers there, kept at 345 psi. One there, one the other side.
Right.
The tall one. On the other side, the same. So you get an order from the wheelhouse, the head. Air goes onto the engine, it'll kick the flywheel round. Once it moves, you then put it to run. The fuel goes on, the engine will fire, and then you control the speed on the throttle. So that's all you need to control the engine.
Is it, yeah?
So then you get a stern move, you're at the head, you move back to stop. And you go back to start in the opposite direction. Because it's 2-stroke, the engine will run in either direction, unlike the car. So we can't idle. We're either stopped or moving a head or a stern.
Oh, yeah.
You can't idle, which is a bit of a bugger, because every time you go through stop, one way or the other, you drain air from the receivers, so you have to keep touching in the compressors in and out. If you have too many engine movements consecutively, you can drain your air down in the air bottles, and then you've got a problem.
Okay.
That is standard practice, marine practice, on the big ships of this era.
Is it, yeah?
To photograph that. All that is engine space.
It's a lot, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, you've got the big bunker tanks up there, the forward bulkhead, and that. The stern gland. And you're standing about there. There, and the floor plates carry on, and then you step down. Level about there, and then you can see the gap down into the shaft.
Oh, right.
What they want. So we've got the controls ahead. It starts on here. We have compressed air on the engine. This cylinder. Yeah. Once it flies over, you can tell by the flywheel. Which is fixed over. So up to you move around. And we run that speed. And that's how we control it.
Right.
Things are acceleration on the car. I'll write down to
Are you in the room?
the pistons in sequence. So it's going in the direction where we're ahead or step. Once, as Pat was saying, once the engine starts to turn, you put it to the run. That's the fuel line.
Yeah.
And these are the fuel lines. They're all timed.
It grows,
Right.
And how much is it? What's the price? Yeah, how much is the price?
Well, it's like
cubic feet.
RPM on the end.
Yeah, you mean as it's
Yeah.
yeah.
Not very good.
And how much? So how much?
Well, I've been on
This is the end of big things.
From
How
what I
much
went
is
to
the
see,
Yeah.
anything I've ever seen,
Yeah. Straight out. Okay, thank you very much. Appreciate it.
We're around the other side.
I think we've got to go. We've got to leave.
Thank you.
we're here Monday and Thursdays. So how will you
Go up the door, boys, up to the... See the door onto the deck opposite? Just got any meat over them,
Right, gents?
Yeah, we can go up the other door.
Oh, okay, we'll go out there. We'll meet you on.
We should have a ribbon, they haven't got the ribbon across there.
Sarah, who?
Is that his name, Sarah?
follow me, please? Right. This is Norman. Right. He'll give you a little chat all about it. In you come, please. There you go.
There you go. Take as many photos as you like. You've probably read it. 1964 she was built. Retired in 1989. She used to help the big ships in and out the docks in Liverpool mostly. 89 it was going to be scrapped and the museum stepped in and bought it. But they have no expertise at actually running vessels, so they gave it to us to run for them. And we're all retired ex-merchant navy people. And this is our hobby. We're all volunteers. This is our hobby, and as big boys' toys go, they don't come much better than this. So she was basic when she was built, and she was obsolete as soon as she was built. A wheel, magnetic compass. I've got 2 telegraphs. Only got 1 engine, 1 rudder. But when I move this one, you'll see that one moves at the same time. And that's just to save you having to run backwards and forwards. If you're making a key on this side or a ship on this side, save you having to run. And sometimes seconds do count. Yeah.
Of course.
Yeah. So it doesn't actually start and stop the engine, it just tells the engineer what we want. And he's down the engine room and he will start and stop the engine for us. And if he's got a hangover or he's in a bad mood, he can take a while. Yeah. So we're not connected up, so the wheel is nice and free if anybody wants a photo taken.
I'll get your photograph on it. Come on. Hey.
QE2 that.
She's what, Ken?
But big front.
Baby QE?
Yeah. Unless she's on tram, yeah. I've noticed when that television program's on.